Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa. I've got an unboxing today. I'm going to give you my first thoughts and impressions. I ordered from Chic Sparrow during her sale and it has finally arrived. So I want to get into this package and give you my initial thoughts and impressions. It is a first time kind of purchase product for me from Chic Sparrow. I decided to go ahead and order a box with this just because I thought it would be better than my postal service trying to shove it into, well, they wouldn't shove this into my mailbox, but they would just kind of toss it around, and I really wanted it to be treated with care. Just pull all of this out. Very excited about this. I've been looking for one of these bags. It's a bag for a while. Just pull this sheet paper out. Oh, we got a couple extra things in here. Oh, just pull this out. Okay, I got my warranty card. I've got a lovely rose heart. Oh, I got the raccoon. I've been wanting the raccoon. I love it because it's got, you know, somebody painting. The raccoon is painting. I've got a product warranty card, which I'm definitely going to have to fill out. In this package, I bought a couple of dashboards because I think Chic Sparrow makes some of the best dashboards ever. I like this sticker too. So I got a couple of different sizes. I'm starting to really enjoy the A6 size, to my surprise. So I got a A6 and a B6 Slim. I got a couple of different sizes here. Let me see if I can find my receipt here. There we go. All right, so the dashboards, I got them in A6. I got two A6s and a B6 Slim. And oh wow, I didn't realize I did that, but I did. Okay, cool. This is an exciting unveiling or unboxing for me. I bought a A6 chocolate cream heritage from Goulet. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it smells quite lovely. I have a A6 already that's a Hobonichi, which is all vinyl and plastic, mostly vinyl, and I don't have anything that's a leather. So oh my gosh. Oh, I like how it feels on the inside too. Excuse my hands. I've just been kind of puddling around the house and oops, there's the need to get that loose. I've been using, I think, a paper cover from Midori. I've already shown on my channel. I like that setup, but this is going to allow me to add some additional inserts. This leather is pretty thick though, but it's a creme chocolate and it smells wonderful. I'm looking forward to this. This is actually really, really pretty. So I bought that one, put that one to the side. So that will house one of the A6 inserts that I got. And then I bought, because they had this on sale, and I think it's because it's going out maybe with retired leathers, is I got a Lara bag. I've been looking for a nice handbag to tote around instead of always carrying around a messenger bag or a backpack. Oh my gosh, this is really, really pretty. And this is in Waypoint leather. And I think she still has these on the site. They haven't sold out yet, but ooh, I like how it feels. And the strap is on the inside of this. I wasn't sure about the size. I mean, I know that I read the measurements, but I wasn't sure about the size of this. A little sticky on the handle. Oh, look at the inside. Look at that color. It's just really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. I almost wish this could have been the color on the outside. But it's an absolute beautiful bag. It will serve me well as I tote about town, because I really didn't have, I like the handle too, did not really have a good hand purse that's a decent size. And this one is a perfect size. I'm relatively small, so some of the other bags that she has is more it's a little bit more narrow and a little bit more taller, which wouldn't look the best on me, being that I'm, you know, of short stature. But God, this bag is great. This is like the perfect size. There's nothing complicated about it. There's no inside pockets, so it almost will call for having like organizational pouches in it, just to kind of keep things together, or you just have one big dump sack. But I actually do really like this bag. Never bought a purse from Chic Sparrow before, but I've got this one. So that's it. It's a really simple unboxing. I really do actually like everything that I have. I'm looking forward to utilizing it. This can actually fit into the bag quite easily, I see. And I should be able to put in like my iPad mini and a couple of pens and my little makeup kit, and I should be good to go. Alright guys, if you like the unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the content, if you want any other things to be shown on the channel, let me know. But otherwise, that's it for this one, and I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.